Sandy truck, 4-wheel drive by DEERC, DEERC. All right, this is the DEERC Sandyland 4-wheel drive 18th scale RC truck. Fast Furious. I've been driving this around. If you can't tell, it's already pretty dirty. It does have fully functioning suspension, which is nice. It's taken some pretty good abuse. So, under the body shell, you're going to have a standard DC motor. This is your controller. Battery right here. I get about 18 to 20 minutes of drive time, even if I'm really pushing it. It is actually 4-wheel drive. Spin this here. Yeah, there we go. It's not locked differential in any way, but it still does a really good job. And yeah, it's pretty basic. I've run it into some things, hadn't broken yet. I like it has like actual suspension, which is nice. It's a plastic body and it's dirty. I've been using it. So yeah, here's some video of it. So standard controller here with your, throttle and brake and backwards steering. What I do think is nice about this one is that it has a throttle sensitivity or a throttle trim so that you can kind of set like a max speed. Same with steering rate. You can change how responsive it is, either really fast or slow. That way you can hand it over to a beginner. It also has reversing for your axes, so you can invert your steering or you can invert the throttle portion. Really nice. Just takes 3 AA batteries. It's light, really light, but that's kind of a good thing because it doesn't give you like fatigue in your hand. You can hold onto this thing all day long. But all in all, for 80 bucks, not a bad little deal, especially when you compare it to some of the name brands that start with a T and end in an Axis. Traxxas, I'm looking at you. I think it's cool that it's 4-wheel drive. I bought a RC truck that was about twice this price and it's only rear-wheel drive, but having 4-wheel drive is really nice. The steering it almost feels like a a buffer in it, so that like if it hits something and it clocks the steering really hard one way, it's not going to snap your servo. But it still is really controllable. Suspension. So for 80 bucks, not bad at all. Grumpy Snowman approved. Wanted to put this out there. I'll be giving this guy away at 1,000 subscribers, randomly selected from my pool of subscribers, current, past, and future. Once I hit 1,000 subscribers, I'll message somebody random and I'll be giving this guy away.